Hey there. So I'm going to talk about what to expect with sort of the results for a pinhole technique. So what we end up and do is we start off with these recessions right here so we can see the roots are exposed, and sometimes those can be sensitive for you as well. And as long as we've got great gum and great bone in between the teeth, then we can predictably cover those roots right there. And well, with this case, we are able to do just that. We're able to cover those roots, thicken the attachment up, and that way those are much healthier and much better looking as well. So that's one case here. Another case, same thing. So great gum, great bone in between the teeth. We're able to basically make a little pinhole down at the base of the gums, free these up, place collagen in between the teeth and over the front, and that pulls these down and it covers those roots. So you can see the after right here. It looks very, very nice. We're able to get some really nice root coverage with those procedures. So that's why the pinhole surgical technique is my go-to when it comes to treating recession. So thank you very much.